Hey guys, I'm back with another key build and this time is the Royal Clutch G68. This is the keyboard I built for my sister and was one of the 4 keyboards I built last December. The RKG68 is a 3-mode 65% hot swappable keyboard. The 3-mode means you can connect through a cable, through Bluetooth, or through a 2.4G dongle. This also has a removable frame and RGB backlight. The switches I went with were the RK red switches. I lubed the switches with Krytox 205G0 and bag lubed the springs with Krytox GPL 1510. The stabs were already pre-lubed, though I didn't think there was enough, so I cleaned it and reapplied the lube. I clipped the stabilizers, then applied Krytox 205G0. I then tuned and lubed the wires with dielectric grease. Other mods I applied were 2 layers of the tape mod, EVA case foam, PE foam, a pre-made plate foam, and the Band-Aid mod. One of the problems I encountered here was I accidentally broke a hot swap socket and some RGB lights stopped working after, so I had it repaired. Even after I had it repaired, for some reason the Bluetooth and the dongle stopped working. Though, when plugged into an adapter, the Bluetooth worked fine. The keycaps I went with were the Ice Cream Japanese clone keycaps that I saw from Shopee. They are XDA profile keycaps, so they won't have north-facing interference. Other than the slight problem I had when building, overall I think it was a solid budget build. Without further ado, here's the comparison between stock and modded RKG68. I hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!